In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize a brush in Krita. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to select the brush icon over here on the left to actually enable the brush tool, and then you want to select the brush you want to use. So I'm going to go with this basic one over here, the basic brush, and then to actually stabilize the brush, what you have to do is go to this tool options panel up top right. Now, if you don't see this, you can simply go to settings, hover over Dockers, and then over here you can see tool options towards the bottom. When you open these, they're going to open here in the top right next to your color wheel, and then here it says brush smoothing, and you want to go from basic to stabilizer. Now whenever you do this, of course, you could go and kind of change the stabilizer over here as well, and then whenever you're ready, you can just go ahead and basically start drawing like this. And as you can see, I've successfully stabilized my brush, and I've enabled the stabilizer just like this. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.